Hi guys, Techie Flanders here. Welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to look at how to monetize your YouTube channel. You start by clicking on your account from here, then select settings, then from settings you can select channel status and features. Okay, from this page you can see all the features of your account, like uploading accounts and many others, but we're interested in monetization. Click on enable, then from here, from this screen here, you're able to see the set target. YouTube has target because previously you could apply for monetization without even qualifying, only to be denied. Then to stop that, they set the targets that you have to achieve. One is have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and you can select here to be notified when you hit this target. Okay, so to see more about this, you can click on analytics, and from this page you're able to see the status, the real-time status. You can see there are 24 views in 28 days, and watch time hours is 0.7, plus there's one subscriber. So in 12 months you should be able to achieve the required target, so you can qualify to monetize your account. For my case here, you can see the channel is new with a few videos here, and I need to do more to hit the target. And to hit this target, it's not hard. All you need to do is develop quality content that is captivating, maybe entertaining or educational, that will get people coming back to your channel, watching for more hours, subscribing, and sharing your videos and channel with your friends. Okay, and that will help you to hit the target and make the money. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, you can like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.